organizing our thought after lunch. Now we are going to do something. It's called take massive action. I believe that the very important thing for a winner and a loser, winner take action, loser just plan. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to give you some ideas. When you say take action, you already have your mind map. What else is still make you so worried to take action? You already have a mind map, you talk to your colleague, they give you suggestions, you're so excited about it, wait for lunch, you come back. What else stops you from taking action? In your opinion? What may?
Scared of the result.
We are so worried about the result to come up to our expectation. That's what we call fear, right? We are still very fearful about whether we can win or not. We are so fearful that if we lose, people will laugh at us. The line manager will tease us, Gilbert will say not good, things like that, So what's the meaning of fear? F-E-A-R. Fear, F-E-A-R, means fantasize experiences appearing real. Which means actually, it will not happen like that. But you have a fantasy, it will happen to be like that. One example I give it to you. How many of you have seen ghosts? G-H-O-S-E, ghosts. The ghosts that you see in the movie. How many of you have seen ghosts before? You just heard, right? But if someone tell you that, if you stay in this hotel, the hotel room got ghosts, you dare to stay? You want to go and stay, so that you want the ghost to come in and catch you. Yeah, but we are worried, isn't it? Especially when you sleep inside there alone. Have you stayed in a room alone before, in a hotel room, where it's so quiet, and suddenly the light went off? Have you experienced that before? Yes, because I stay in hotel more than I stay at home. 1 year of 200 days, I stay in the hotel. So when people tell me that the hotel got ghosts, I always very worried. I don't believe that I'm still scared. So people teach me 3 steps to chase away the ghosts in the hotel. Step number 1, before you go into the room, press the doorbell. Then after that, go inside the room, flush the toilet. Then the third thing, go to the bed, take out all the pillow and throw over. So you tell the ghost is, I am here. So don't disturb me tonight. So I said, nonsense. I don't believe in that. But now, every hotel I go, I do the same thing. So the fear makes me, I have to do it. That's why in Ho Chi Minh City, I only stay in Hotel Equatoria. Because you know why? They always put me in the same room that I stayed 10 years ago. So I always stay in the same room. So that room is like my house. So I don't have to press the bell, to go and flush the toilet, to go and mess up the bed. It's like my home. But sometimes, because the peak season, they take me to another room, then I will do the same thing. Fear is your fantasy, but it's not a real thing. So don't let the fear stop you from moving forward. Right? So you have to follow this guy. He said, feel the fear and go for it. So every one of you have to be like him. You have the fear in you about your mind map, but you still want to go for it. So someone asked me a question, he said, after he fly, how he land? I don't have a picture how he land. Maybe he's already gone after he land. Right? So, land with the star, right? So that's what we want to tell you a joke about this. If you are the lady who want to reduce your weight, we have 2 steps for you. Step number 1, buy our cream called Miracle Cream. Apply on the area you got fat. First step. Second step, you run 10 miles every day. Then you will reduce your weight. Which one make the girl reduce weight? The Miracle Cream or run 10 miles? Definitely run 10 miles. Is the result of it. So your mind map, just now you did your mind map, is actually the Miracle Cream. And now, to make this happen, you have to use the rule of 5. So we have given you the form here, which I say is very useful. We give you the hard copy to start first. We will send the soft copy to you, right? And then our advice for you is, don't use this form more than 4 weeks. Why? We don't encourage people to use this form, same form, for more than 4 weeks. Why? Maximum 4 weeks. Here we have the week off. Well, we say cannot use more than 4 weeks. Why? What's the reason behind that?
4 weeks, we have 28 days.
28 days, 4 times 7, 28. 30 days.
38.
But we still don't use more than 4 weeks. Maximum 4 weeks. This form. So why? Why we don't say use 5 weeks, use 6 weeks? Why only maximum 4 weeks?
Because I think the whole activity will get a result of any improvement.
Maybe after 4 weeks you may see the results, right?
You say not the same.
Do other things again. Yeah, yeah.
I think if we do it more than 4 weeks, we need to implement something happen in the way we do something wrong here.
Okay. If you use this form more than 4 weeks, the action is still the same. That means the action may not be effective. Do 4 weeks, still no result. Right? Or you didn't do anything at all. You keep on repeating the same action. So 4 weeks and more, still the same action, that means you're not doing something different. So our advice for everyone who use our form, maximum is 4 weeks. Now, second thing, why we ask you to put the name here, why we ask you to sign here is because we want to make sure you make yourself that high commitment. Right? Breakthrough goal will be the goal that you just now you draw the mind at the center point, that will be your breakthrough goal. Okay. Let's see what to do with the number and descriptions over here. This is the first part. You're going to put, we say rule of 5, meaning that you can do 5 things or more to achieve your goal. But certain things may be less than 5 is okay. Example, I will take his example. You say what you want to help your people to improve their knowledge and skill, right? Then over here you say to train them on whatever competency you want to train them. You must be very specific here. Then over here we have Monday to Sunday. You may not train them every day. Maybe you train them Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Then you will put the time here, Monday, 8 o'clock to 8:30, example. And then Wednesday and Friday. If you have done that already, usually what we suggest you to do, if you have done that, we'll put a tick behind, a tick. So you imagine, if you train your staff 3 days in a week with the competency, after 4 weeks, they still have no improvement. What does it mean to you now? Repeat 3 weeks, 4 weeks, still same. Maybe the method that you use to teach them is not effective. Maybe their attitude is not there. So you will have to ask yourself a question really, should I continue to do this way to train them now? So this form is to remind you. If you don't have a form, you may forget. You may keep on asking yourself, why these people no improvement? So that will be what can help you. Somebody asked me, why got Saturday, Sunday? I off on Saturday, Sunday. That is for you. You say every morning you want to run, right? But you cannot run every day, right? Maybe you want to run is Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. 4 days in the week you run. Then you're going to put the time here, morning 6 o'clock to 6:30. So you have done it, you put a tick. After 4 weeks you run. You go to the weighing machine. You didn't lose weight, you put on weight. Something must be wrong with your running already. Maybe while you run, you still eat a lot. So you need to ask yourself whether this action is effective or not. So you know how to use this form now? Okay. So what I want you to do now is look at your mind map now and ask yourself, Okay, as you go back today, what are the things that you want to start doing it to make the first move of the action? Can I borrow yours? You see, she has so many actions here. Which one to put first? She got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She got 8 action here. So which one is she going to put over here? Choose the one that you want to begin with your priority. I think I saw one of you. Is it yours or yours? That you have 1, 2, 3, 4 to go. Yeah. You take your number 1 to put in the rule of 5 first. Okay? Then after you finish it, then you go to the number 2. So this is how you work. But for her, of course, she didn't put down. She has to know which will be the first action you want to take. Okay? We're going to give you the next 10 minutes or 15 minutes to look at your mind map. If you have any problem to fill out this form, please let me know. I will come to you.